Welcome back. In this video we are going to write our first C program. Let me first explain the structure of C program. The first section is documentation section. It consists of comment lines which is used to write the additional information of the program. 2 slashes are used to give the comment. The next is preprocessor directive in which we include the required header files. All the header files begin with hash symbol. Every C program must have one main function. This section includes the actual code. Every statement should end with the semicolon and it should be included within the opening and closing brace. There are some more sections which we'll be studying in the coming videos. So let us discuss what are header files. Header files contain set of predefined standard library functions. One of the most important header file is stdio.h, which includes input-output functions like printf, scanf and related to data file. If you want to use this function, we must include the header file. There is one more header file mat.h which includes all the mathematical functions. If we want string related functions, we should include string.h. There is one more header file conio.h, that is console input output header file which contains console input output functions. Now let's use code block to write our first C program which we have downloaded in the previous video. You can see here this is the shortcut of code blocks on the desktop. Double click on it. Now go to file, select new, select empty file. Let's write a simple C program which will print message on the screen. So the first step is to write the comment. We use double slash to write the comment. So I have written my first C program. The second step is to include the required header file. Here I am adding stdio.h. Now we should write main. Main is the predefined function from which the execution starts. Now let's write one printf statement which is used to print the message on the screen. So I am writing one message, hello world. Every statement should end with the semicolon. Now let's save this file. Go to file, click on save file as. Let's create a folder so that we can save all the files in that folder. I am going to give the name C programs. So let's select the folder. Now save the file. So I am giving the name test. After writing the program, first we have to build the program to check the errors. You can see here we have option build. Click on that. As there are no errors, we are getting this message, 0 errors, 0 warnings. After that we should run the program. So you can click here to run the program. You can see here we are getting the message hello world. You can press any key to continue so that control will come to the program. Now let's delete this semicolon and check what will happen. We can combine both the build and run by clicking on this button. You can see here it's showing one error. So if there are errors, you can check the errors here. You can even check build log to check the errors. Now let's try to print one more message. C programming course, followed by semicolon. Don't forget to write the semicolon. Now let's click on build and run to check the output. As there are no errors, this program has executed successfully. And you can see the output, both the strings are getting printed here. If you want to print this string in the next line, you can add \n. Now save the changes by clicking on this icon and click on build and run to check the output. You can see here the first string is getting printed in the first line, then the second string is getting printed into the next line. In this way we have successfully written our first C program. Now I have an assignment for you. Pause the video and try to write your name using printf statement. Let's check how you can print your name using printf statement. So I have written Dennis Ritchie because I should give credit to him as he has developed the C language. So let's click on build and run to check the output. You can see here we are getting the message. Now even you can print your other details also using the printf statement, and you can add \n so that the other details will get printed into the new line. So in this video we learn how to write C program using code blocks. In the next video, I will be discussing the basics of C. So keep learning, keep coding. See you in the next video.